Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Cheq credit bill payments. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app to help you with your credit bills and your payments. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, their app. You have it here on Google Play. However, they haven't have any reviews here on Google Play, so it's not available as of now. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you're wondering if it's legit or not, I actually found a post here on Reddit asking if anyone is using the Cheq app for credit card payment. So this person said, stop using after it asked me to disable developer settings in my Android. We don't do that here. This person said, yes, app is somehow, it looks shady to me. I don't know of now, but it was shady or shady so much as a year ago, and very sneaky for your data. I closed it long ago, so that's a red flag right there. So there are also different things here. Stop it after they keep adding their insurance by default. Any app which auto selects an insurance plan and gets me to pay without me knowing is shady. So yeah guys, please refrain from using this. It is very shady, and they're using shady tactics and sneaky tactics to make you lose more money. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.